Are you ready? Jeffrey, you ready? Are you? Yeah. Gemma, I like your bag, baby.
Are y'all ready?
Yes, we are. BBB. Yes, we are. Say hi. We are going to fair with the kids. Say hi. You wanna say hi?
People ever took me to the fair? My grandparents.
Hey, say hi,
They just
baby.
went yesterday. They're going again.
Hey. She was all smiling earlier. We are at the fair.
Melinda.
Hi.
Who's that? Look, appreciate it. Let's get it.
You are weird. We're here at the fair, guys. Slow. Like. Right there. Gemma. Ah! Let her walk. Gonna walk or something?
Mom called me. So I gotta
Where
call
is she?
her. Somebody called me. I don't know who called me.
It's the rides. They got roller coaster. I don't know what's the name of that. Look at her.
Oh, girl.
She's just sitting.
Hey. Get on the stop.
I can't even see him.
I can see him.
I'm way too short. Gemma! Hi, baby! Oh, your brother! He said hi, Jeffy, because
Oh,
Jeffy
okay,
was
yeah,
there.
I was showing him bouncing. I was showing him bouncing.
She didn't hold the horses.
He ain't even come over and get mine.
You ready?
You ready?
I will for 10 rings.
Oh, there's one, Mom.
What, ride?
Looks like jet skis.
You ready? You ready?
Okay, I don't know. I don't know what I'm
So we are gonna try the jet ski.
Okay.
There's a little choo-choo train down there. She
Right
might
there.
get on later.
What do you want? What do you want to get on, Gemma?
You want that?
Like that one?
If Jeffy wants to get on this one, we'll watch him on this one.
Jeffrey.
You want to get on this ride? Okay, we're gonna watch him on this ride. We're gonna take her over to the other ride. We're gonna stay here with you. Okay, you'll get 2 tickets here, Jeffy. Hand them to him. Go ahead, buddy. You gotta get on there. Here you're going. Load up. Go ahead, buddy. We're all here.
Come here, Gemma. Want mix?
Okay.
Caramel popcorn. Not touching all of me yesterday. Sorry, I was being great. The fish is back there. She's great.
Gemma!
Oh.
I'll be right over there in a few minutes.
You excited, Jeffrey? Jeffrey!
I would. I want to go. I don't want to go now.
Y'all ready?
What's that up there? Look at him, look. Look, he's almost in your lap. He's having a whole high.
All right.
We're going.
Look, that's why he's mad.
Oh, nah. Uh-oh. Oh, that was fast. He likes it. That was fast.
Use the backboard.
Alright guys, we have players on both sides. You gotta keep your fingers on the trigger. Not going like that.
That was good. That was good.
Jeffrey. Ready?
Use the backboard. Use the backboard.
Jeffrey, come here.
Oh. Oh. Come on.
This look, baby.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, baby. Say hi. We're gonna go to see some pigs. 6, what time is it? 5?
And they told me that 550-pound pumpkin is inside a farming garden right there. 550 pounds. This lady's got a mouse. She said, I gotta go back and look at that. Please do.
Maybe
She
it
was
smells
supposed
good.
to leave out of here because it
That's
had
just fried
another
chicken.
engagement,
I smell
but it
fried chicken
decided
from anywhere.
to stay tonight. But 550 pounds
Look,
inside her farming
she's
garden.
cold.
Big pumpkin.
So we're just waiting till 6 o'clock.
Hey, how are you? Good, how are you?
But they're right on the top foot.
Look at the horses, guys. They're so big.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, get the doggy. Pretty doggy. Look, Gemma. Pretty dog. Gemma, you like the dog? You like it? Oh, look at her. She's petting it. So we are here at Livestock number 3. Gemma likes to, So we're here by the goats. What's the name of it, baby? What's the name of it?
This one's Willow. That one's Nugget.
Willow and Nugget. Willow. It's Willow. And it's Nugget.
It's Nugget head.
Oh, Nana. You want Nana? Nana is Nugget.
Not holding on to you. Oh, I gotta get tissue somewhere. Her nose is blowing like
I know.
Where's your bag?
I don't know. I think Tommy got it. Here.
For the 4-H annual award banquet. As such, I'm here today to present this check with the help of my 2 able assistants. I am definitely a thorn between a couple roses here, but we're in support of sending $500 to the 4-H extension program, and we hope that we can do that, or maybe a little bit better next year.
Oh my goodness.
So thank you very much for your time and attention. I hope you have a great sale
We got
today.
pigs. There's a baktin. This is this is anay.
This is a hog, Jimmy. This is a hog. This is what's called a hog.
I want a lechon.
Black and white.
225, 225, 225, 250,
You guys, look at this pumpkin. It's so huge. This is 340 pounds. Is this the biggest one?
There's a big one, 500 pounds.
Where's the 500 one? Look at their squash. Oh, look at their watermelon. Are you ready? How about you, little girl?
Get on the ponies. Get on the ponies.
We are going in a pony ride. She's so excited.
Come on. Still gonna ride or not? Still gonna ride? Yeah? Who else is gonna ride? He's gonna
And she's crying.
Wait to Jappy. Say hi, Jappy. Wait to hi, Jappy.
You wanna ride? You wanna ride a pony too, Gemma?
Say hi, Jappy. Here he comes. Look at him.
Jeffrey.
Yeah.
Oh my God, girl, you're so
Wait,
loud.
Say hi, Jappy. Say hi, Jappy. Wait to him again, honey. Say hi, Jappy.
Did you enjoy it? Did you?
Give Auntie Glenn a kiss.
Mm. She is so loud. Hi, Jeffrey. You're so loud. You got all the sweets earlier. Say hi.
Say hi, Jappy. Oh, wow. There's
Say
Gemma.
hi.
Hi, Gemma. Wait to
Hi,
Gemma.
Gemma.
Can you wait
Where's
to Gemma?
Gemma?
Where's Gemma? Wait to Gemma. Wait to Gemma. Say hi, Gemma. Here's Gemma. Can you see you?
You want that?
Want Pepsi?
Hi. Want pet the doggy? Come on. Okay, come on. Oh, boy. Thank you. Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy.
Hey, my name's Lassie.
Lassie. Hi, Lassie. Say hi, Lassie.
Oh, your name is Gemma. Yeah. Say bye-bye.
It's so
Give him one more
cute.
pass. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, doggy. Thank you, ma'am.
Where are we going, Gemma? To the horsey? Wanna see the horse?
Baby, watch where you're going.
We're gonna watch a horse. Oh, they have bathroom right here too.
Okay, here, hold her. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Well, we'll sit down first.
Okay.
Just in case.
Oh my goodness.
Go around. Turn this way. Turn around. This way.
Gemma, you see it?
Put it up. There you go.
What? Girl? What? What? What you say? What?
Go see if there's any room.